Hello everyone, I welcome you all once again, and what we are going to learn today is something really special. This is the third video in the series using AI websites and tools for productivity. In the earlier video of this series, I had shown how we can use Google Chrome extensions. Today, what we are going to learn is how to create them for absolutely beginners. So little bit why we need Chrome extensions and what they are and everything. Google Chrome extensions enhance our browsing experience. So we can create them to take some actions based on events. Like suppose we use the magical extensions where we were automating our boring text. So today we will show step by step tutorial how we can create a Chrome extensions. We will work upon something very basic so that the steps remain actionable. Once again, I would like to remind that all this series I am going to show you basics to advanced so that the steps remain actionable and you can, after immediately watching this video, take the steps. So we will create something very basic and you can enhance it as per your requirement. So we are going to create the extension in two steps. Number one is the files that are required to create the extensions. We will create those files through ChatGPT, and in the second stage, after we get the files, we will show you how we can upload our own extension. So without wasting much time, let's go to ChatGPT. A simple prompt I have given, and in between you can see I have given extra brackets to help you to understand that this is the thing where you will create your own functions and you have to describe your own functions for which you want to create the extension. So I have created an extension for due date management. If you want to create for something else, you can simply change this part. Okay, so develop a Chrome extension that, inside the bracket I've written, should manage the due date for me, take user input of date, client name and particulars. We must be able to view all the due dates chronologically, delete the due dates, etc. Okay, next part, which shall be same, generate the complete code, organize all the files in the folder and create a downloadable folder named. Again, you can give a different name. I have given in brackets so that you can change. Also, this prompt is in the description, so absolutely go and use it. Don't wait for anyone. So what it has done is creating a Chrome extension named due date manager involving this, and it has given some structure, some files, manifest.json, popup.html, and all this is going above our head. But don't worry, it is going to give us the complete solution, and as I told, it is for absolutely beginners. Okay, so we are going again. There is some file, okay, not an issue. And background, packaging the extension, save all the above files in a folder named due date manager. Okay, add an icon.png file to the folder, compress the folder into a zip file for installation. Very tough, I don't know what it is saying. Anyways, downloadable folder, unfortunately I can't directly create a folder here. However, you can copy the provided code into respective files. Don't worry, we are not going to do this. ChatGPT will do. Sometimes it is giving error, I told you, but we will ask ChatGPT only. We need it. That's it. Okay, so pro tip is there. Please make a downloadable folder for me. Bas, that's it. I told that I cannot do all this. You make a downloadable folder. And in the next step, it has given us the solution. The Chrome extension folder has been created and compressed into a zip file. You can download it using the link manager. So I have downloaded it already, and you can see I can original due date 1, 2, and this was the first extract. Okay, so after it has given it the file, what we have to do is, after it has given the file, the steps are very simple. We again go to our web browser and you can see this button here and manage extensions. Okay, so if you don't find this, you will developer mode may be off, so simply you have to switch on the developer mode, and what you have to do is load unpacked. That's it, and locate our file. Maybe new folder 1 is the thing, so new folder 1 and select folder. Okay, so now failed to load extension, it is giving some error, could not load icon and could not load manifest. Okay, so let's go to ChatGPT only. If you remember, it already warned us that we must add an icon file, but we are lazy, so not an issue. Again, what we have told, whatever error was there, could not load icon, this, I have simply this copy and paste here, could not load this, This error indicates the icon file referenced is missing because we did not put it. Not an issue. The issue with the missing icon has been resolved. A placeholder icon has been created and added. It has given some another file. Okay. So already I have this for us, and in new folder 2 we can see icon.png. Okay. So what we will do, again reload our extension, load unpacked again, and this time we will load the new folder 2, select folder, and you can see I think there are no errors. Great. So let's go, and how to see whether our extension has been created or not, we can click here and you can see due date manager. Great. Okay, we can pin it. I have already shown in the previous video, but let's see what it is doing for us. Simply I'm clicking on the due date manager, and as we have given the instruction that date, client name and particulars and add due date. So let's add the date, maybe 27, and client name HKA and maybe ITR. Okay, add due date, and you can see due date is here. Absolutely amazing. We had also told to create a delete button, and as soon as we delete, the things are there. Amazingly, we have successfully created our own extension. And now FAQs. Number one, the most important FAQ is whenever you are creating something with ChatGPT, maybe some VBA code or other codes or extension, first don't go for complex things. What we did is very simple, that we want to add a due date and delete it. So when it is giving the code, just try to make the code workable. Now that we know that the code is working, now I will enhance it. Firstly, if I did know I want this also, extract in Excel also, and do many things, it is not going to give you the correct solution. So whether you are coding or anything, first try to make an executable file, then do the enhancement. For example, we are now very much okay that our extension is working. Now what I can do is change the icon, enhance the functionalities, every single thing. Okay, so I will show you the example. I have enhanced it. Let's go to ChatGPT. Okay, can we output the file in an Excel file? And one more button to output only those due date that fall within upcoming 30 days. Since it is showing us all, and again it will be a clumsy thing, so I have told it that give me a button that only shows upcoming 30 days. You can do 7 days, 5 days, 3 days, whatever you want. Okay, to add the functionality, it is this all these things. I don't know what, again pop up, whatever it is. Thank you, but okay. So both functionality is not working. Okay, so again it has given me something. I tried them actually, not to waste your time, so little bit you have to iterate again and again. Okay, and I think it was working. Not working. Your logic to access upcoming due date within 30 days is wrong. In spite of date January, it is showing no due date. Okay, again it was not working. Again it has given me some files. Not an issue. Upcoming 30 days working best, but Excel part giving error. Anyways, thanks. So I realized that Excel, export to Excel is not working because of many things, but upcoming 30 days was working best. Okay, so the third thing that it gave us, let's go to the third thing and new folder 3. Again we will take the same steps. Very simple, Chrome extension, and we will remove this one. Remove. Again load unpacked, and I just want the third folder. Select, and again it is loading, and let's see what are the changes. Due date, and you can see filter for next 30 days. Let's try. So one due date I will give within the 10 days, 31st January, maybe we have an HKA and ITR. Add due date, and let me try something of 5-6 months so that it falls beyond 30 days, maybe 26th April, and client name HKA. Maybe we'll change the client name. Okay, HKA is not a good name. Maybe we will write Lokesh only. My name is very good. Okay, and maybe we have to do some ROC work. Add due date. Okay, so we can see first 31st January is one due date, and April 26th is one. And as soon as we click on filter, it will only filter out the things that are falling within 30 days. Export to Excel is not working because of some complications. So this I have purposefully kept, that everything will not work. You have to understand what are the errors and everything. Little bit you have to spend the time. Okay, so that was the FAQs. And any other thing you can create? Yes, I will show you some one more beautiful thing. Ideas also we are taking from ChatGPT only, productivity Chrome extensions. So I've simply given a prompt, ideas for creating Chrome extensions that can make our work productive. It has given me some beautiful ideas. I told some give me some more and categorize them. So whether you want some time management Chrome or automation Chrome or focus and distraction management, research, data handling, so many ideas are there. The link for this prompt also I am going to share with you so that you can try out new extensions. So that's all for this video, friends. I really hope you learned something new, and if you happen to create some beautiful extensions, do share with us. Also, last thing that I missed out is that if you want to share the extensions with public, you have to launch your extension and pay Google Web Store a $5 fees. So I'm not showing all this, that you can try yourself. When you pay the $5 fees, you can make your extension live and usable to everyone. If you want it paid, free, all this iteration you have to do yourself. I have given you the basic idea, and from here enhancement and ideas is your own choice. So that's all for this video, friends. I am really very excited. If you happen to make extensions, do share with us and we will be glad to showcase that on our channel. Don't forget to like this video and comment which one was your favorite part today. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed our channel. And one more last announcement, we are standing at 700 subscribers, and do subscribe our channel, because as soon as we complete 1000 subscribers, there is a big giveaway again. The last giveaway, as I have always promised, was on 100, 300 and 500, and the next one is on 1000 subscribers. So do subscribe and share with your friends for such videos, and keep learning. See you in the next video.